Programat Video Tutorial Chapter 6 Introduction to Programming the new Programat Press Furnace. This chapter will give you an insight into the highlights made possible by the infrared technology in the Programat Press Furnace. We will show you the basic operation and give useful tips for efficient performance. The infrared technology in the Programat furnaces was specifically developed further for use in the press furnaces. You are already familiar with the infrared-controlled pre-drying function and closing cycles presented in Chapter 5. The following shows other functions which are also possible with the EP5010. When an investment ring is placed into the furnace, the Programat EP5010 identifies its size and automatically selects the correct program. At the same time, the temperature of the preheated investment ring is monitored. You can switch the infrared investment ring recognition on or off in the setup menu. For this course, please ensure that it is switched on. Now select the required press program and open the furnace head. Place the preheated investment ring onto the firing plate. The investment ring recognition will begin automatically. The infrared technology identifies the size of the investment ring. If the temperature of the preheated investment ring is within the permissible range, press the Start button and begin the pressing program. If the investment ring is too cold when loaded into the furnace, the device will emit a warning message. If the ring temperature is too hot, no warning will be given. In this case, after the Start button has been pressed, the furnace will automatically wait until an acceptable temperature has been reached. After the press program is ended, unload the pressed investment ring and divest in the usual manner. On the display, alongside the pressing time and the pressing process, you will also see the temperature the ring was when it was placed into the furnace. If the indicator is exactly in the center of the scale, then the investment ring had the ideal temperature at the time at which it was placed into the furnace. The preheating furnace, repositioning time, and press furnace are perfectly coordinated. If the indicator is in the dark green to blue range, the preheated ring was too cold. One reason for this could be that the preheating furnace temperature was too low. Increase the temperature of the preheating furnace and check the effect after the next press process. Another reason why the indicator is in the dark green to blue range on the scale could be due to the repositioning time, the process of removing the preheated investment ring from the preheating furnace and placing it into the press furnace. Ideally, this should take a maximum of 30 seconds. If the indicator is in the light green to red range on the scale, the investment ring was too warm. Reduce the temperature of the preheating furnace. Check the display after the next press process and carry out the necessary adjustments. The better the preheating furnace and press furnace harmonize with one another, the higher the quality of the pressed objects. This will reduce the risk of defective press results. Please note, the infrared investment ring recognition will only function if the original Ivoclar Vivadent ring system is used for the pressing process. If you decide to use an alternative system, you must deactivate the investment ring recognition function. For further information, please see the instructions for use.